These are the three main components for the PortaBidet Home. To install, first loosen the screws that attach the seat and lid to the toilet bowl. Loosen them enough to create enough space for the bidet to slide between the bowl and the seat hinge. Orient the slots on the bidet to slide onto the screw shafts. Take your time to align and center the bidet and the seat on the toilet bowl. Tighten the seat screws just enough so that the seat won't move around while testing. Take the seat spacers, peel and stick them to the area on the bottom of the seat that will raise it level with the mounted bidet. Some seats are flat, and some already have extended feet and should not be mounted on them. Next, fill the reservoir with the desired temperature water. Set the reservoir to the left of the toilet on the floor. Mount the pump on the reservoir and put the intake hose in the reservoir. Then connect the output hose from the mounted bidet to the pump. Sit down and test the aim. If off from where you sit, adjust the bidet front or back to achieve proper aim. Finish by tightening the seat screws. And now your PortaBidets Home is ready for use.